Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to easily fix the unknown device issue with device ID root /VMS_VSMP/0000 that appears in Device Manager on Windows 11. This issue usually appears as an unknown device and can be confusing, but the fix is actually very simple. First, open the Windows search and type Control Panel, then click to open it. Inside the Control Panel, click on Programs. Next, click on Programs and Features. On the left side, you will see an option called Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. A new window will open with a list of Windows features. Scroll down and look for Hyper-V. Now check the box for Hyper-V to enable it. After selecting it, click OK. Windows will now apply the changes, and it may take a moment. Once it finishes, restart your computer. After your computer restarts, open Device Manager again. You should now see that the unknown device issue is fixed. Now, if you don't want to keep Hyper-V enabled, you can simply turn it off again. And that's it. The device error should remain fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.